Hi, this is Karthik. I welcome you all for this session. In this session, I'm going to teach you how to use Watermark in Microsoft Word. Once again, I repeat the topic, how to use Watermark in Microsoft Word. I'm going to teach you how to use Watermark using an example. Apply Watermark as shown below. Watermark confidential to text your name, font Arial, font size 72, layout diagonal, color red. In order to complete the task, we need to open Microsoft Word. How to open Microsoft Word? It's quite simple. Go to search and type Word where you can find Word 2016. Just click on Word 2016 icon in order to open it. When you click the icon, it will take you to the backstage view. Click the option Blank Document. When you click the blank document, it will take you to the workspace where you can find various tabs and toolbars. Just click on the Design tab. At the right hand corner where we can find the option Watermark. Click the option Watermark where you can find Confidential 1, Confidential 2, Do Not Copy 1, Do Not Copy 2. Select the option Confidential 2. Now you can see the watermark is added to the document. Next step is we want to customize the watermark. Once again, go to Watermark and go to the option Custom Watermark. Just click it once. When you click the option Custom Watermark, and it will take you to the printed watermark pop-up window. Change the text to your name. Change the font to Arial and click the font Arial. Change the size to 72. Change the color to red. Change the layout to diagonal. We customize text, font, size, color, and layout. Click the option Apply and Close. Now we customize the watermark as we like. Whenever you create a new page, the watermark will be added automatically. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you all on the next video.